Look at Gigi's gift to me. Hello. You have this. Anong pangalan niya? Anong pangalan niya?
Akamara.
Akamara?
The city of Akamara in Georgia once housed
Kapangalan ni
40,000
Amara.
people. But if you go now, you'll see just
Ano
a
kaya
fraction of
magandang
that
pangalan
number.
ng
Most
drone
people
natin?
there are tourists coming
Baby
to catch
drone
a glimpse of
natin.
another abandoned city.
Guys,
Akamara was also a
magre-review ako
big
nito
mining town,
soon.
but as the 1900s
Itong
wore on and the new
niregalo sa atin ni
mining
Gigi.
ahead, coal became less and less
Ha?
important. New technologies developed that
Ayan
gave
siya,
us
guys.
faster and better resources at a fraction of the
May
price.
sinasabi ka ata,
More
bebe.
mining communities were shutting down. But Akamara was also
Kaya
the
naman
victim of the
sinasabi
siege
ka
of
ata
Chile
eh.
in
Ayan siya,
1992.
guys.
And
DJI
from supplies,
Air
towns'
2S
basic
baliktad.
necessities needed to be helicoptered in for 400 days.
Thank you,
This was the
baby.
beginning of the end here. Most of the buildings still remain, only with just a few
Papaliparin na
residents
natin
each.
to very
Many of them
soon.
look as though they're already